Welcome to this quick tutorial of the Tummo breathwork, the inner fire breathing, used by the monks in Himalaya to warm their bodies up from the inside. So let's start by breathing deeply and slowly. So we're going to breathe in through the nose, exhale through the mouth. And we're going to take 4 deep breaths. So breathe with me now. 1, 2, 3, breathing in. Breathing in, as we breathe in, we come up with the body, back, exhale. Release all the air, breathing in like a bellow. Opening the chest, exhale. 3. Exhale. The 4th breath, we hold the breath. You swallow down to the belly like you swallow an elixir of power, of light. Holding the breath here. And then we gently pull up on the perineum. Squeezing, imagine you're squeezing or hugging your belly in. So this creates a pressure chamber. Slowly exhaling through the mouth. Imagining, seeing, feeling a warm fire inside of the belly. Now let's try that again. That might have been a lot at once, so let's try it again. We'll take 4 deep breaths. Hold the breath, swallow down to the belly, and then slow exhale through the mouth like you're breathing out through a straw. We visualize a fire building inside the belly. Okay, so let's breathe together now to generate heat and warmth inside. You can place one hand on the belly, one hand on the heart. On 3, we'll breathe in. 1, 2, 3, breathing in. Exhaling. Exhale completely, breathing in. Release. 3, breathing in, stoking that fire. Exhale. Imagine you're blowing energy to the fire inside the belly. 4, breathing in. Full breath in, hold the breath, swallow down to the belly. Pull up on the perineum like you're squeezing your sexual organs up. Slow exhale through the mouth. Imagine, see, feel a fire burning inside the belly, warming the body up, from the belly up. Rest in the stillness for a moment. Let's do one final round, and let's take 10 breaths together. So if you're doing this the first time, then I recommend sitting down. Otherwise, feel free to stand with me. Let's take 10 breaths. Building the inner fire, doing the Tummo. So on 3, we'll exhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, release completely. Release, empty the lungs. Breathing in. Breathing the fire into the belly. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Imagine you're breathing light into the fire. And release. 4. 5. Circular deep breath. 6. 7. Breathing into that fire. Exhale, glowing warmer. 8. 9. Shine, breathing in all that power. Release. Breathing in one more deep breath. Breathing a little bit more. Holding the breath, swallow down to the belly. Pulling up on the perineum. Gently exhaling through the mouth. Imagine, see and feel a sun or a fire inside the belly. Relaxing shoulder blades back and down. And notice how you feel. This is a great exercise to warm the body up. Notice if you felt any heat. It's also a great exercise to land into the still point, to recenter the mind and recalibrate the nervous system. So I hope you enjoyed this exercise. And until next time, tu panachiskama.